Chris, thank you. As we keep an eye on politics, history will be made once again today in New York as opening statements are made in the first criminal trial against a former U.S. president.
Prosecutors have charged Donald Trump with falsifying business records to hide an affair ahead of the 2016 presidential election. And last week, 12 jurors and 6 alternates were selected. Joining us now live from New York is CBS News' Wendy Gillette. Good morning, Wendy. What can we expect on day one in the courtroom, and how long are opening statements expected to take?
Ryan and Dana, we don't know how long they will take. They are starting at 9:30 this morning, so just about 2.5 hours from now. Typically, opening statements are not that long because really attorneys don't want to bore the jurors as they take on the case for the first time. We do know also who is going to be called as the first prosecution witness. That is David Pecker, who is the former publisher of the National Enquirer and the man who is allegedly behind the catch and kill scheme during the 2016 campaign.
Trump has said he would like to take the stand in his own defense, despite legal experts saying strongly advising against that. Do we know if he plans to actually do it, and who else could be called to testify?
Well, he has said yes, he will take the stand. He said that as late as Friday, that he wants to take the stand, he will take the stand, but we really don't know if that is going to play out. We really have to see what happens during the expected 6 weeks of testimony in this trial, and then his attorneys will probably be telling him, yes, you should, or no, you shouldn't, because you might not want to deal with the questions that prosecutors are then going to throw at you.
Right, in cross-examination. How is this trial impacting the former president's campaign?
Well, he's just not able to campaign very much because he's in the court Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. He has off on Wednesday, but that's really not enough time to go to take to do a rally or to travel out of state. So he's having to do those rallies over the weekend, and this one just this past weekend in North Carolina was canceled because of bad weather. So it's just really difficult for him to campaign when he's locked into the courtroom Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday.
Right.
Well, all eyes will be on the courtroom for this historic criminal trial for Donald Trump, but I imagine the scene outside where you are is going to be quite the circus as well. Wendy Gillette live in New York. Thanks for your report.